Hello, today I'll show you how to benefit from events in Sword of Convallaria. To actually benefit from the current in-game events, you'll need to learn how they function. It's quite easy, really. We'll start with the ones you will unlock at the earliest moment, which are Cornucopia and COs Afternoon. They are currently the available events. Cornucopia is the summer event, COs Afternoon is, I don't know, but it's also time limited. As you can see, it ends in 1 month, so I think it's just a monthly event. Of course, there are other events right here, as you can see. That's why I said there are many different events there, because they are located everywhere, basically. But let's get to it. We'll go into Cornucopia. As you can see, there are certain rewards that you are able to earn. You can earn, of course, them without spending any money, because as you can see, this is a battle pass. But by completing weekly quests and seasonal quests, you earn Cornucopia experience and earn Cornucopia levels, and by unlocking them you can simply claim rewards on each level. Of course, if you want to give yourself a little boost, you can always use the rarest currency in the game to access the different buffs to the Cornucopia, and of course get access to first the blessed rewards, which are those right here. They are much better than the regular ones. You gain access to 10 immediate levels, and also you get a bunch of nice items, as in a secret fates, which are used to summon new characters, and different types of furniture for your home. You can also get lots of Hope Luxities, which are the second rarest resource in the game. A Castalia that is used to reset the chosen skill in the certain rank, and often plenty of primordial powders that can be changed into specific medals and other things. I think I spoke about everything right here. Here you can preview the gear that you can gain through this event, and also what would it look like at the max level. And lastly, you can of course purchase different tiers. As you can see, if we would purchase the maximum amount of levels for the Hope Lux sites, we would gain this stuff. That's Cornucopia for you all. Now we will go to COs Afternoon. In COs Afternoon, as you can see, it's also a battle pass, functioning a little bit differently, but also a little bit similar. You can purchase, of course, levels, which would also give you a bunch of stuff. As you can see, the quests are separated into daily and periodic. And of course, you can get COs Promise, which is the premium battle pass, which gives you really big amounts of the in-game gear. And that's it for COs Afternoon. It's a bit simpler than the Cornucopia, but it also gives a lot of good stuff. The third and my favorite event is located right here. It is most different from the others. It's a Jackpot. You can earn this type of wish coupons by completing quests or by buying them in the shop, and you can exchange them to make a wish and get randomly one of those rewards. including a skin for burial. Of course, there are other things. If you reach Central Voyager levels, you get access to 10 secret fates, used as previously stated, used to get your to summon another heroes. There is Stay on Voyager, which is a daily login reward. There is Dawn, which is a basically a bunch of quests available for completion. There's Tower Conquest, a unique type of game mode. There is, of course, the section for official communities, and there is a reward for binding your login method. Alright, I already told you about this and also mentioned the daily login rewards. I will also show you other ways to get a login reward. There is, of course, the monthly check-in. You can access this once more by tapping the main menu, and in main menu going to the calendar icon. You can gain additional resources by going to your mailbox, and as you can see, you can claim additional stuff by simply reading your mailbox. What else? There were, of course, quests that reward you with either some simple goodies, as you can see, like Voyager XP or Hoblook sites, and there are achievements that reward you strictly with Hoblook sites and with energy or endurance, as it is called in this game. And I think that's it. You are now acquainted with every way to basically earn additional cash in Sword of Convallaria. You will know what events are currently available, and you will basically know how they function if they decide to add or swap the events for another. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.